Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to change your voice on TikTok. If you also want to learn how, then make sure you watch this video until the end and let's get straight into it. Now from the home screen, tap on this plus icon on the bottom. Now you can either take a video or upload a video by tapping on this upload and choose the video from your gallery. After that is done, you'll see a similar interface. Now on the right side of the screen, you'll see an option of audio editing. You can tap on that and here you'll be able to see all of the voices that you can change to. You can swipe left and then tap on the one that you want and the voice will download. Now this video has no sound, but if yours has, yours will be changed to the one that you selected. You can tap on replace original sound with recording and tap on the save on the top right. And as easy as that, you have now successfully changed your voice on TikTok. If you guys liked and found this video useful, then make sure to subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. Thanks for watching.